Do you want to speak English well? Many people find it very hard. They feel confused. Let's fix that. You want to speak fast, but you feel so slow. The time is ticking. You feel very stressed. This happens because your brain is working too hard. You think in your own language first. It takes too long. Then you try to translate everything into English. Your thoughts get messy. The words just won't come out right.
Stop doing this. You need to break this bad habit today. Translating is slowing you down. I have a much better idea. It is a simple trick. It will make your English flow easily. You need a direct path. You must learn to think directly in English. Let's learn how to do it. Step 1 is very easy. Start with simple words around you. Look at an object.
For example, look at your drink. Just think the word cup. Do not say it in your language. Look at a chair. Think the word chair. Say it in your mind. Keep it simple. Look at your shoes. Think shoes. No translating. Just connect the object to the English word. When you pick up your keys, think keys. Do this every day. It builds a strong memory. When you open the door, just think door. Your brain will start to remember. It becomes automatic. Look outside the window. Think window. You can practice this anywhere. It is fun and easy. Step 2 is making simple sentences. Do this from morning to night. Let's look at your daily routine. When you wake up, hold your toothbrush. Think to yourself, I brush my teeth. When you drink your morning coffee, feel the heat. Think, the coffee is very hot. When you are outside waiting, look at the street. Think, I am waiting for the bus. When you are at school or work, look at your desk. Think, I am working hard today. You can even write down your thoughts. Short English sentences are perfect. Practice makes perfect.
When you eat your lunch, look at the food. Think, this sandwich is very good. I am hungry. Look at the weather outside. Is it raining? Think, it is raining today. I have my umbrella. Step 3 is having short conversations with yourself. It sounds funny, but it works. Try it today. Look in the mirror. Smile at yourself. Ask, how are you today? Then answer the question. Answer yourself honestly. Think, I am tired, but I feel good. I am ready to sleep. When you watch TV, try a new game. Think about the show in English. Describe what you see. Listen to English music. Feel the rhythm. Think about the words they sing. Sing along in your head. When you exercise, don't count in your language. Count your numbers in English. 1, 2, 3, go! When you drink water, take a break. Think, I am thirsty. I need to drink more water. Plan your day in English. Pack your bag. Think, I am ready. I will go out now. Look at your map or phone. Think, where am I going? I am going to the store. Check your wallet. Think, I need to buy food. I have my money ready. When you finish shopping, check your bags. Think, I bought everything I need. It is time to go home. When you cook dinner, be the chef. Describe what you are doing. Think, I am frying the food. Sit down to eat. Look at your plate. Think, I am eating dinner. It is delicious. When you clean your room, grab your broom. Think, I am cleaning my room. It is very dusty. Water your plants. Talk to them in English. Think, you are growing well.
They don't judge you. At night, get ready for bed. Turn off the light. Think, good night. Sleep well. If you don't know an English word, don't panic. Stay curious. Just look it up later. Do not worry about perfect grammar. Grammar is for later. Right now, just connect the English words. Speak out loud when you are alone. Hear your own voice. It helps your brain learn faster. Every time you think in English, be proud. You win a small prize in your mind. Great job! Learning English is like climbing stairs. It takes time. You get better one step at a time. Soon, you will not need to translate anymore. The words will come fast. You will just know them. Thinking in English will change your life. You will feel happy. You will feel relaxed when you speak. You will love speaking English. It will not feel scary. It will feel completely natural to you. You are doing great. You are a star. You just need to practice every single day. Give your brain a wonderful gift. Feed it with simple English thoughts. Open the box of learning. You will become the master of your own mind. You will rule your English journey. Be proud. Start today. Do not wait for tomorrow. Think in English, and you will speak like a winner.